Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Before we dive in, do us a favor by hitting the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. It helps us a lot. Today we're taking a closer look at a crucial topic that affects us all: proactive measures against cancer. Understanding and taking these steps is not just important, it's vital to our health and longevity. Stay tuned as we explore the simple steps you can take to guard against cancer in your daily life. Cancer, a word that scares many, but what really is it? Understanding it is the first step to preventing it. Essentially, cancer is an uncontrolled growth of abnormal cells in the body. It begins when the body's normal control mechanisms stop working. Old cells, instead of dying, survive and form a mass called a tumor. Not all tumors are cancerous. Benign tumors do not spread to other parts of the body and are not life-threatening. On the other hand, malignant tumors can invade nearby tissues and spread to other parts of the body through the blood and lymph systems. This process is called metastasis. It's this ability to spread and disrupt normal body functions that makes cancer such a serious threat. The key to battling cancer is early detection and prevention. Regular screenings can help detect cancer at an early stage when it's most treatable. Now that we understand what cancer is, we can take steps to prevent it. Prevention, they say, is better than cure. The same applies to cancer. Changing your lifestyle can significantly reduce your risk. One of the most effective ways to ward off cancer is by maintaining a healthy diet. This means eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. These foods are rich in nutrients that can help protect your body against cancer. Regular exercise is another crucial element in cancer prevention. It helps maintain a healthy weight and boosts your immune system, both of which are key in reducing your cancer risk. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Avoiding tobacco is perhaps one of the most significant steps you can take to prevent cancer. Smoking has been linked to various types of cancer, including lung, mouth, throat, pancreas, and bladder. If you're a smoker, quitting is the best thing you can do for your health. Limiting alcohol intake is also important. While moderate drinking can have some health benefits, excessive alcohol consumption is associated with an increased risk of several types of cancer. Lastly, don't underestimate the importance of regular checkups and screenings. These can catch potential issues early when they are most treatable. Remember, early detection is often the key to successful cancer treatment. These lifestyle changes not only help prevent cancer, but also contribute to overall health and well-being. In addition to lifestyle changes, there are other proactive measures we can take to guard against cancer. Vaccines, for instance, play a critical role in preventing certain types of cancer. The human papillomavirus vaccine, or HPV vaccine, can help protect against the types of HPV that most commonly cause cervical, throat, and other types of cancer. Similarly, hepatitis B vaccine can prevent liver cancer. Regular screenings are another vital tool in our arsenal against cancer. Screenings like mammograms, colonoscopies, and skin checks can catch cancer in its early stages, when it's most treatable. It's like performing regular maintenance on your car. If you catch a problem early, it's much easier to fix than if you let it go until your car breaks down. So, don't wait until you're experiencing symptoms. Get vaccinated, schedule regular screenings, and encourage your loved ones to do the same. Remember, early detection is key in the fight against cancer. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned today. We started by understanding cancer, a group of diseases characterized by the uncontrolled growth and spread of abnormal cells. We learned that anyone can be affected, but knowledge is power in the fight against this disease. We then moved on to lifestyle changes as proactive measures against cancer. From a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables, to regular exercise, to avoiding tobacco and limiting alcohol, every little change contributes to a healthier life. Next, we delved into the importance of vaccines and regular screenings. Vaccines like the HPV and hepatitis B can protect against certain types of cancer, and regular screenings can catch cancer early when it's most treatable. By taking these proactive measures, you can significantly reduce your risk of cancer. Remember, your health is in your hands. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.